The human tooth has two parts, the crown and the root. See this picture, children, and compare that to your own teeth. So there is two main parts. The first part is called as crown and the downside part is called as root. So when we smile, the part of the teeth which is able to see outside, which we are able to see outside, that white color part, no children, that part is called as crown. Okay. And the part which is not seen outside and which is present inside the gums you see in this picture, children, yes, that portion is called as root. Let us learn about the inner part of the tooth. So teeth is having three layers, children. See the picture: enamel, dentine and pulp. Enamel is the layer which is present in the outermost layer and which we are able to see. The white color part, no children, which we are able to see, that is called as enamel. And this enamel is helpful for chewing. Whenever we eat something, no, so the first portion which is helping us to chew is the enamel. And enamel is also having another specialty. It is called as the hardest substance in the human body. So which is the hardest substance in the human body, children? It is the enamel. Okay, so once enamel is getting any damage, we cannot repair it naturally. So we have to be very careful not to get this enamel damaged. Okay. The second layer is dentine. It is present just below the enamel. If you see the picture, you can understand. And comparing to the enamel, dentine is not that hard like enamel. And the duty of dentine is to protect the lowermost layer. Which is the lowermost layer? Pulp. And the innermost layer is called as pulp. See the second picture, children. Pulp is made out of nerves and blood vessels, and this pulp is having another important function because the teeth also need to grow and stay alive and look healthy, so this pulp is providing the needed food, means the minerals and all, to the other parts of the teeth. Okay, so our next topic is tooth decay. So this is mostly found, that is, tooth decay is mostly found in children because of bacterial infection. We get this bacterial infection, children, that is when we are eating food, the small food particles will stuck in between the teeth, and if we are not brushing our teeth regularly, what will happen? Bacteria grows in between our teeth and it will damage the teeth. These bacteria will produce some acids and it will damage the teeth, especially the enamel. So this bacterial infection due to unclean teeth will form a thick sticky coating which is called as plaque. You can see in the picture, children, it is plaque. Slowly we will start getting holes which is called as cavities in our teeth, and our teeth will be totally damaged. Due to this plaque, cavities and all, there are chances for our gums, see the gums, children, to get red color, swollen and sore. So our gums will be also totally damaged if we get bacterial infection. Children, eat less chocolates because excessive eating of chocolates will also cause teeth decay and you will have to suffer like you have seen in the pictures before, no. So be careful when you are eating chocolates. So eat very less chocolates, brush your teeth, okay, or you will be having bacterial infection, your teeth will get affected and you cannot eat your food. It will be very difficult to chew the food and all if your teeth gets damaged. Okay. So now let us learn some tips to keep our teeth and gums healthy. You should have a good habit of brushing your teeth at least 2 times a day. Means early morning after you get up and after your dinner when you go to bed. No, before going to bed you have to brush your teeth. So after eating any food items, rinse your mouth, means wash your mouth very neatly with water. Okay. Every day after brushing, take a clean tongue cleaner and clean your tongue. This removes the bacteria inside your mouth. When you eat some food, no, the food particles will be stuck in between the teeth. So you can get a dentist help and floss your teeth. Floss your teeth means, see the picture children, there is a thread-like thing which is helpful to remove the food particles stuck in between the teeth. Maximum you have to avoid all the sugar rich products, okay, sweets, chocolates and all the food items which are very rich in sugar content. So avoid eating such foods because it damages your teeth. Okay. And eating snacks also, limit the eating of snacks. Okay. So if you keep on eating the snacks throughout the day, it will stick to your mouth, stick to your teeth and causes damage. Okay, causes decay. So limit your snacks. Citrus fruits, children, fruits like orange, lemon and all. So after eating such fruits or drinking such fruit juices, you should always wash your mouth, rinse your mouth. Why? Because in these fruits, what is there? Some acids are present. So if you don't clean your mouth after eating or drinking such fruits and juices of fruits, what will happen? This acid will cause teeth decay. Okay. To have a healthy teeth and a good gums, it is said that we should eat good food rich in calcium and vitamin C. Okay. So in the picture you can see, first picture, some of the calcium rich foods, it is broccoli, meat, orange, all the dairy products. Dairy products means what? Milk and milk products. Peas, fish. Okay, fish is very rich source of calcium. Nuts like almond, and also have a habit of eating all these calcium rich foods and vitamin C foods. So in the picture you can see lot of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C. So have a habit of eating these calcium and vitamin C foods to have a good teeth. Next is wear a mouth guard when you are playing some sports like wrestling and all. No, so there are chances for your teeth to get damaged. So when you are involved in sports and all, you may fall down and all. Yes, so your teeth also, if it hits somewhere, there are chances to get damaged. So wear a mouth guard during sports. Use a good quality toothpaste and a good quality toothbrush to brush your teeth. And the last point is visit your dentist once in every 6 months. So once in every 6 months, go and visit your teeth doctor, that is a dentist, and check the health of your teeth. Okay, check the health conditions of your teeth. So we are getting into the last topic of our fourth lesson, that is microbes. What is microbes, children? The microbes are very small organism which we can find only in under a microscope, not with our naked eyes. This is the observation of microbe under the microscope. Okay, this is the microscope, children. There are variety of microscopes. And these microbes are seen everywhere around us, children, in air, water, soil, food, even in the body of human being and animals, there are microbes. Here we are going to study about 4 kinds of microbes, that is bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi, and the disease caused by these microbes. So disease causing microbes are called as germs. first one is bacteria. So bacteria is otherwise called a single-celled organism, children, because bacteria will have only one cell. What is a cell? Cell is a functional unit. Okay, so for bacteria there will be only one functional unit. So it is called a single cell. So once this bacteria attacks your body, it causes diseases like tuberculosis. Generally we call TB. It is a lung infection, children, where your lungs will get infected and you will be having severe cough. Okay. Second one is diphtheria. See the second picture, children. So white color formation will be there. Okay. So this is the diphtheria and you will have very difficulty in swallowing the food. You will have pain. And the third one is typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial fever. So the next microorganism is the virus, which can be seen only under a powerful microscope, not under a ordinary microscope, children. So if you get viral infection, so you will have common cold. Okay, you will be always sneezing and a liquid will be coming out of your nose and you will have mumps. See the third picture, children. So a swollen like thing will be there. Okay, and also measles. See the second picture, a red color spots will be there throughout the body. That is measles. The next one is protozoa. Protozoa is also similar like bacteria, which is having only one cell, means one functional unit. And these cause diseases like malaria. Malaria is a type of fever, children, with the symptoms like headache, severe fever, very tired, your body will be having pain, back pain, some changes in the skin, sweating, itching, okay, vomiting. All these things we will be having once you get malaria. So another one problem is dysentery. Frequently you will be passing stools and you will be having a tendency to visit the toilet. Okay. The last type of microbe is fungi. Fungi usually grows on dead plants, dead trees, dead animals. Okay. Fungi causes ringworm in human skin. Last topic is useful microbes. So let us see the uses. We all like curd, no, children? So how curd is produced? Curd is produced from milk. How? Because bacteria acts on the milk and produces milk into curd. Okay, so that bacteria is a useful bacteria. Next, in the production of cheese, so bacteria acts on milk and convert it into cheese. There also the bacteria is very useful one. In bread making, so when during the preparation of bread for baking and all, yes, we use yeast and all, no, children? So what is happening there? The bacteria are helping for the preparation. Yes, when a plant or animal dies, what happens? These microbes will be acting on that dead plants and animals, and that dead bodies will be converted into nutrients and will be mixed with the soil. So who is helping for all these process? Microbes. And some microbes, some bacteria are present in the digestive system of animals. Okay, and that bacteria helps in the digestion of the food in our stomach of human being and animals, and also they help in the production of vitamins. Some bacteria are helping our body to produce the useful vitamins.